Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix fingerprint sensor not working on Android device. So in this case, what you could do is sometimes a simple restart can fix a temporary glitch. So what you want to do is basically you want to hold on to your side button right over here. So what you want to do is you want to click on the restart button. That might be able to fix. If the restart isn't working out, then what you also want to do is open up your settings first of all. And when you go to the settings section on the search bar, you could go ahead and type in biometric. So here you can go with unlock. As you do it so, then you could go to the fingerprint section and you could simply remove or delete the fingerprint and add a new fingerprint that might be able to help. The other thing what you also want to do is you must take care of your finger. Sometimes if you have a small cut or some sort of dirt debris on your fingerprint that it cannot also read. So you also want to make sure to clean your hands or finger. If the issue still persists on, then you might want to make sure to update your software. So for that as well, you want to go to settings, and when you go to settings, you want to come to the system, or you could just go to the security. So scroll down and there you have these reset option. You could either go ahead and reset or erase all your data and then do it so, or update your software as well. So that might be able to help. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.